very windy day, but I wanted to share with you a new kit I made. It's for my husband when he's using his 1995 Dodge Ram truck. He loves this truck dearly. It has a Cummins diesel engine, which he thinks is the best. All I know is it's very, very noisy, even in the cab. But anyway, come along with me and see the kit I made. So here's the truck kit. Now remember, it's not an EDC bag. He has a small Maxpedition Fatty that he has his EDC stuff in. This is additional stuff he might need for his truck. Should state, I got this bag, Battle Box Mission 22. And at the time I thought, geez, what will I ever use it for? But it really fits a lot of gear. So let's look at the outside first. Here's just a little towel. You just open the bottom, can get it easily out. We have a more knife right here, easy to reach. And on the back here, just something that would hold water if need be. So, notice things are labeled. Here we've got first aid and Kleenex and wipes. So let's see what's in here. So here's a little first aid kit. It's mainly Band-Aids and bigger gauzes, just in case, and some ibuprofen. And my husband always seems to run out of Kleenex, so there's 2 things of Kleenex in here, and wet wipes, and a bandana. On the side here we have an emergency vest and gloves. It's got snap. So we got some gloves, and as it says, an emergency vest. Just in case the truck breaks down, which, considering it's a 1995, it does break down. The engine's always fine, but other things happen. And on the other side, again, so it's easy access, we have flashlight, lighter, and headlamp. So here's a little headlamp. And this is one of those nice slider, or I should say slide flashlights. I heard about it from the Urban Prepper. It's nice, it slides out, and it's magnetic if you want to put it on your hood if you're working on something. It's a nice little flashlight. Oh yeah, and it's got this bright, very bright work light. And extra batteries for the flashlight. And a little longer lighter. You know, I can't imagine my husband ever running out of lighters because he collects lighters. So now let's go to the inside here. And you kind of adjust it here. Let's open it up. Right at the top, we have Pampers, because they really are great for cleaning up any kind of messes, not just diaper messes. And on the side here, I'm not going to open it up right now, but it has all your basic tools in it. Some microfiber cloths. And then here, it has the ratcheting tie downs, the bungee cords, zip ties, tape, and a tape measure. Little glow in the dark cord. Long zip ties, 11-inch size. Elastic tie downs, you know, bungee cords. And then, also electrical tape and duct tape. Here's the tape measure. And then we have a whole bunch of these ratchet tie downs. And these are what makes it heavy. Another one and one more. But this is what you need in a truck, to have plenty of options depending on what you're picking up and carrying. Okay, and on the bottom here, which really makes this bag heavy, is a 3 by 30 feet heavy duty recovery strap. Great thing to have with the truck. And there's a zippered pocket back here, but right now I don't have anything put in it. Maybe my husband will want to put something in it. The one thing I didn't include in this kit is the jumper cables. He keeps these under the passenger's front seat, so I didn't need to put them in the bag. So I think this will come in handy for my husband. Like I said, he loves his truck, and this gives him some options. If he needs to tow something, it has the straps in there. If he needs secure cargo, there's a lot of different ways in this bag. There's some basic tools if something goes wrong, and there's some cleanup items. And in case he needs a Band-Aid or something of that nature, there is a small first aid kit. And there's the headlamp and the other flashlight to give him plenty of light when he's doing something. And just in case the truck completely breaks down, we have the emergency vest to keep him safe if he has to walk. I hope you enjoyed this kit, and it'll give you some ideas to make your own truck or vehicle kit. As always, please subscribe and share the knowledge. This is Prepper Potpourri thanking you for your continued support. Thumbs up if you like this video.